Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning how to make this floral arrangement. Oh wait, but there's more to this. So yesterday I was working on the floral arrangement video and my yellow hydrangeas this morning turned out to be like this. So unfortunately it didn't work out, but this morning I quickly went to Trader Joe's and bought an alternative, and one of the colors still match fairly well. It's the letter blue that matched with the other colors and fairly affordable, so this is the alternative that you can also do. If this happens to you and you're using it for a gift, just that quick tip for you. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested to learn how to wrap the bouquet, comment and subscribe to let me know. Thanks!